How weather, climate change, and bees impact honey and mead making. Hey there, fellow mead makers. We all know honey is the heart and soul of our craft. But did you know that the type of honey you choose can completely transform your mead? The flavor, texture, and even the health benefits of your mead can vary depending on the honey you use. Let's dive into what makes honey so unique and why understanding these differences can help you perfect your recipes. But before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. As a little thank you, grab my free ebook, Mead-Making at Home Easily, with the link in the description or the pinned comment. So now let's talk about micronutrients in honey. If you're going for a delicate and subtle mead, lighter honey might be your best friend. It's perfect for highlighting those floral notes. But keep in mind, it often has fewer antioxidants, which might not give you the depth of flavor or health benefits of a more robust mead. For those looking for something richer and bolder, darker honeys like buckwheat, avocado honey are packed with antioxidants and beneficial compounds. This honey can give your mead more intense and more complex flavor, taking it to the next level with both taste and health benefits. Let's talk about mineral levels in honey. Lighter honey. While still a source of essential minerals, lighter honey generally has lower levels compared to its darker counterparts. This might result in a more delicate mead, but it might miss some of the richness that comes with the higher mineral content. Darker honeys are mineral rich, packed with elements like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. These minerals don't just add nutritional value. They can also subtly enhance the mouthfeel and aftertaste, making your mead more satisfying. Let's talk about potassium levels and pH in honey. Lighter honey contains potassium, crucial for both yeast health and the benefits of your mead. However, because of the lower concentration and slightly acidic pH, you might need to pay extra attention to nutrient additions and pH adjustments during fermentation. Darker honey supports stronger fermentation and adds complexity to the acidity of your mead. This can really help balance and enhance your final product. Now let's talk about weather's impact on honey production. Weather plays a huge role in honey production, which directly affects your mead. Dry spell means bees produce less nectar, but the honey is more concentrated and flavorful. Perfect if you want a more intense floral profile in your mead. Wet weather leads to more nectar, but milder flavors in the honey. This honey might be ideal for lighter mead, but it can lack the boldness you need for more complex recipes. Let's talk about some seasonal variations. Spring honey brings light, aromatic qualities, ideal for summer meads, while late summer honey offers darker, robust flavors that add depth to traditional and spiced meads. Let's talk a little bit now about climate's impact on bees. The health of your bees directly impacts the quality of your honey. Bees thrive in moderate temperatures. Extreme heat can force them to cool the hive instead of foraging, reducing honey production, which could affect the quantity and quality of your next batch. High humidity can slow honey production and introduce risks like mold in the hive. This can lead to honey that's less ideal for mead making, requiring more careful management during fermentation. Climate change shifts flowering times, which can lead to honey with inconsistent flavor profiles. You might need to stay adaptable and blend different honey batches to keep your mead consistent. Climate-induced stress makes bees more susceptible to disease, which can cause lower honey quality. Supporting bee health isn't just about being a good steward. It's essential for ensuring the best ingredients for your mead. Climate change is reshaping honey production, and as a mead maker, you need to stay ahead. With rising temperatures, plants flower earlier and for shorter periods, disrupting harmony between bee activity and nectar availability. This might mean adjusting your honey sourcing or tweaking recipes to compensate for these shifts. Droughts, floods, storms are more common, affecting local flora and, in turn, reducing nectar sources. This means honey with variable flavors and quantities. Climate change just doesn't reduce the amount of honey, it can also alter its flavor and sugar content, impacting the final taste of your mead. This is where your skills as a mead maker come into adapting recipes and techniques to maintain quality. Beekeepers are adjusting to these changes, and so should you. Understanding these adaptations, like moving hives or planting resilient flora, can help you source the best honey and time your production for optimal results. Now, here's some practical tips. The source and seasonality of your honey is crucial. It's the foundation of your mead's flavor. Tweak your mead making process based on characteristics of the honey. Monitor fermentation and supplement nutrients as needed. If this video has helped you rethink your mead making process, Please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. And remember, you can grab my free ebook, Mead-Making at Home Easily, using the link in the description or the pinned comment. If you've noticed how weather or climate change affects your mead, drop a comment below. And if you're interested in more tips, check out my other mead making videos over here.